This is the Morph Stick Massager by Brayzn. This is really, really exciting. So if you're into fitness, if you're into foam rolling, if you understand the value, this is an absolute must-have. But let's open this up. So if you know anything about this company, then you know that what they do is they give you tools that are incredibly versatile that you can use for a lot of different things. So check this out. So you've got this really cool, what seems like a simple roller, right, to be able to massage out your muscles, but it's a lot more than that. You can actually, this actually breaks apart. I'll show you some examples, and you can use it for a bunch of different things, which is really exciting. So it can transform into multiple things. So your singular purchase can go a lot further. So you'll notice that there's a bunch of different configurations. There's no rings, there's narrow, middle, wide. So these are for different parts of the body. The other thing that's really cool, again, you got the kneading, and as you can see here, kind of in a way, you can also use it as a foam roller. So by adding rings, you can use it as a foam roller, it can replace your foam roller, or you can even use it to work out your core, which is really exciting. So you can adjust it so that it works best for you. You can see it comes with these rings. You can always, of course, get more rings that you can add on. And that is super, super cool, right? Like I believe I simply do this. I'm not sure how this works. There we go. Yep. So I just slide that on there. And there you have it. So again, you can customize it, get more rings and things like that to be able to get the perfect foam rolling experience. And this is great because it's nice and small, it's travelable, it's portable, it's something that you can easily take with you or something that you can store really easy. Man, those bearings are fantastic. Look at that. That's incredible. So awesome product from an awesome company. Really excited to try this out and try them on my sore quads.